Take a look at your desktop. If it's a mess of unread PDFs, dozens of lost bookmarks, and folders stacked inside of folders, you are paying a massive cognitive tax. NotebookLM is designed to clear that clutter. You drop in your files, and you can instantly chat with them, generate custom study guides, or even turn them into a podcast. We hoard information because we think we might need it later, but storing thousands of pages of data without actually reviewing them creates a digital graveyard. It slows you down every time you try to find a single useful fact. You might try feeding this mess into a standard AI, but normal chatbots pull from the entire open internet. They frequently hallucinate, meaning they confidently invent facts that aren't there because they aren't looking at your specific files. To actually manage this data, you need the processing power of a supercomputer, but confined entirely to your own personalized ecosystem. Only your data, nothing else. Let's start with a single massive file, like a 100-page financial report loaded with dense tables and tiny footnotes. When you upload it to NotebookLM, you trigger a process called source grounding. The AI is physically walled off from the rest of the web. It is trapped entirely inside the world of this one specific document. By trapping the AI, you force it to rely strictly on the text in front of it. When you ask a question, every generated answer includes an exact clickable citation pointing right back to the original paragraph it used. This transforms a static, boring block of text into an accurate partner you can actively interrogate for answers. That's just one document. Now take 50 completely different files, a mix of web URLs, disorganized class notes, and raw YouTube transcripts, and drop them all in at once. The AI acts as the connective tissue between these disjointed formats. It scans through every URL and transcript to find the overlapping themes hidden inside the noise. Without you doing any manual sorting, it maps out cross-reference timelines, builds out comprehensive FAQs, and writes cohesive study guides linking a video you watched to an article you read. Outsourcing this phase takes what would normally be dozens of hours of manual labor and compresses it into seconds. You get the raw, actionable knowledge immediately. But reading a synthesized study guide still requires you to sit at a screen. The real leverage comes when you hit a single button to generate an audio overview. NotebookLM processes that entire folder of documents and outputs a lively two-person AI podcast that discusses your research in an engaging conversational format. You can load that audio file onto your phone and absorb the core insights of your research while you're at the gym or commuting. Turning a weekend's worth of reading into a 30-minute listen lets you master your data without ever being tied to a desk. We're moving away from hunting through search bars and folders. Instead, we are actively conversing with a personalized digital brain that knows your files. When you stop spending 4 hours summarizing transcripts or cross-referencing research papers, you have 4 hours to actually build the product or record the content. Shifting your energy from the labor of organizing to the labor of creating is how you scale a side hustle without burning out. Test this shift today. Take the messiest, most unorganized digital folder on your hard drive and dump the entire thing into NotebookLM. You can finally stop fighting with your file structure and let a grounded AI handle the heavy cognitive lifting of organization while you focus on the results.